Alright guys, I haven't done a Trader Joe's haul in a while, so I went to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna make a couple vegetarian meals, so here's a couple items I got. I want to make like a vegetarian pasta, so I got this pasta. So this pasta was only 99 cents. So this pasta, I think I'm gonna add a red bell pepper, a little bit of onion, maybe some beans, maybe some goat cheese, maybe some spinach. So these, I like these a lot. These are the frozen bell peppers. They're only $1.99 for that. Got some organic garbanzo beans, 99 cents. Organic black beans, 99 cents. Got veggie burgers, $3.69. I got some mountain spring water, 19 cents each. I got 4. Oh, with this pasta dish, I saw somebody on YouTube add this green goddess salad dressing. I want to try that out. Look, it has avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. Also vegan. It looks good, so this was $3.99. Alright, I got a bell pepper, 99 cents. Also got a red onion, 89 cents. I got some goat cheese, $2.99. Got some fresh cut pineapple, $3.49. I'm craving some pineapple. Shredded hash browns, $1.79. Now I like these better than Walmart. I usually go to Walmart and get the cheap ones, but these actually taste better. They taste fresher, so I like these. I would recommend these guys. I'm gonna try a new salad. This is $2.99. It's called a broccoli and kale salad, or broccoli and kale slaw. It has dried cherries, dried blueberries, almond and sunflower seeds, and a creamy slaw dressing. So I think when I make my pasta salad, vegetarian pasta salad tonight for my break for at my work, I'm gonna have a little bit of this salad. I think it'll be excellent paired together. And I saw these everywhere at Trader Joe's, every aisle, every section of the store. I think they're trying to get rid of them. I think they're just for the holidays, but it's called sugar glazed Lipkuchen cookies. These were $2.69. There's not that many in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about 7 in there. It says soft gingerbread with nuts and spices. I like cookies with spices, so this sounds interesting. So I think I might do like a little taste test on this right now. Still really soft. I love the color. Wow, just very. Wow, and they're soft. Wow. I smell them. Feels like gingerbread taste. Let's try it out. I feel like it has some fruit in here. It tastes kind of fruity. A little spice. Pretty sweet. But very good. Wow. Tastes nutty too. Also very fresh. It has a fresh taste to it. And usually cookies don't have like a fresh taste, but these do. These are very good, guys. I would recommend these. Get them if you find them. They're really good. So guys, remember I said these cookies were like kind of like nutty and fruity. I looked at the ingredients. It has orange peel to it and almonds. Yeah, they're really good. I would get them. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you that when I did my last food Trader Joe's haul, someone wanted me to tell you guys the whole price. So the whole price of everything was $29.45. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and try this salad I got at Trader Joe's. I'm going to put a little bit in this bowl so I can have a nice healthy, lunch today. Or dinner, whatever I'm going to get at work. And then I guess this all, I don't think I'm going to, I might save the dressing for later. I'm not going to put it on right now, but I'm going to put all this in here. All right, here's the blueberries. I don't think I've ever had blueberries or dried blueberries in the salad before. That's interesting. Here's the sunflower seed. I actually do like sunflower seeds a lot. I'm gonna make here's the dressing. Here's the dressing. I'm gonna save that. I'm just gonna pack that. Let's go like this. Pack it like that. There's my salad. So guys, I forgot to add the goat cheese. So I want to add some of the goat cheese to the salad to give it like a little extra protein. All right, I'm gonna add some of this pasta. Not everything, because I'm just gonna make enough for a meal. Just enough for tonight. All right, I'm gonna add some onion to this pasta. Give it some really good flavor. All right, I'm frying up these frozen veggies from Karebear for the pasta. All right, I added the peppers. I also added some spinach too. Now I'm going to add some goat cheese to finish it off. All right, that's what it looks like with the goat cheese. Now I'm going to add some of that green goddess salad dressing. My first time trying it out, guys. I'm going to eat the salad tonight for my lunch break at work today. I wasn't super healthy. I reviewed those tacos from Taco Bell, but I'm really excited to try something healthy for a change. I think I put enough dressing on it. We'll just find out. Let's do a taste test to see how this tastes. It's good. I think next time I want to add maybe more veggies, but this, I think it's already enough sauce. Yeah, it's good. All right, that's my pasta salad, my other salad with the dressing. That's my lunch today, guys. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Something different, a little recipe for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.